It's fuzzy.
Okay, do it again.
I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I can't get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. There you go. Yeah.
You keep putting your hand in the way.
Oh. Yeah, I got you. I got you. You see mommy recording you? Is mommy recording you? Is mommy recording you?
Hi, Quino. Hi. Yes. Hi, buddy. You're a good boy. You're 7 weeks and 2 days old today. You're getting so big. I remember when we first put you in that bouncer, you like barely took up any space. Hi. Yeah. Yeah?
Yeah, hey. Hey. Get your feet. I get your feet. I got your feet. Did Daddy get your feet? You want your feet again? Daddy. Nothing. Nothing. Nothing.
He's ticklish though. Alright, say goodbye. Bye-bye. Oh.